I can start with a little bit of liquid clear. I'm going to apply this all over the board. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to throw some green on. So I've got some phthalo green. And I'm just going to try with a little bit of, I've got some violet there. Phthalo green. I'm going to put this literally everywhere. And stick around if it's your first time, because when I start adding the white on here, it should look kind of cool. I don't know what kind of, somewhere around sort of here, just a little bit, like a sort of circle there, half circle at the top. That's it really, maybe just a little bit down the bottom. Just got some titanium white here and we're going to make a nice little sky. Just want something like this, and then I'm going to blend them out. So I'm just going to blend the bottom of these out. I'm going to make these into sort of some kind of cloud. Let's just fluff these out a little bit here. Just fluff these out very gently. Make all different kinds of clouds. I'm going to just strike a little bit of light that sort of comes up here, maybe around here. Something like that. Please share the live if you can, guys. It really does help. There's lots of things you can do to help if you're enjoying yourself. Just a bit of light here and there. Just a little bit of light playing through there. Just some dark. There we go. Probably use all of this throughout the painting somewhere. Okay, let's make some mountains. So yeah, I've got a bit of paint on there. I want some quite sort of close. Let's go up into that cloud there. That'd be quite nice, just to break that. We can do one there. We have one that lives there. I'm just going to put a bit of paint on with the palette knife, like this. Every single live stream as well is posted to my YouTube channel, which is Visualfusions Painting and Art. So you can follow me on YouTube as well. It's free to subscribe. If you fancy subscribing me on TikTok, there's a star down the bottom left, I think, of your screen. Okay. Some phthalo green, and we'll start putting some shading and some highlights on this. Some greenish, some dark, sort of greenish colour like the sky, but with a bit of black in it. Maybe, oh, that's nice. Look at this, like green and marbly. So I might just add some streaks of white in there too. I'm gonna add a little bit more white into that because I want it to show up, but I want this to be quite darker than the other side. So I think it needs to be a bit lighter, so I'm gonna make it a bit lighter. Yeah, I think I wanted to just change the colour to that colour. The one I put on was a little bit dark, so I can just pull this out and do this bit again. The mountain to come down here, so I'm gonna sort of have it coming towards us, I think, this one. Lots of, yeah, so I've left that there because I'm going to just put a little bit of different colour in there. A little bit of fresh phthalo green to that. I don't want to... That's it. So it's not pure white. Some highlights here and there. Put some here. Come down here like this. this. Shapes of mountains. Let's just go down here on this one. We can just add some little flavour there. Go into some pure white here and just drag on a little bit of paint here and there. I want it the brightest. I can put all sort of crevices in here as well. Use some titanium white. We're going to just put in a doing these. That'll do, something like that. Let's go into some colour and just put some nice little trees in. Going to put some around here, right? Just a little touch of phthalo blue, just a little touch. I've just added a little bit of white to it, but I'm going to just go. Hopefully, I've got enough paint here to just pull some colour down for a little waterfall. So maybe it comes through here and down there. Oh, that's nice. Just pull down there. Let's just pull this colour down. Right, and then to make it water, we better just go across. Look at that. I think I might add some mist around here. Being very gentle around that. Very gentle. We've got quite a big brush for this area, so I'm doing it very gently. There we go. Can add some more if I want. Just a few, because we've got mist going on. What's in this place? What lives here? Where should we go? Where should we go? I'm feeling it coming round. Yeah, something like this. And then off down here. From here. Yeah, I think this has got some nice depth to this painting as well, actually. So we've now got a tree that sort of lives here. Until I put the highlights on, you won't really see much of that. So I've used a thinner paint here. Make it thinner. There we go. Quite like that. Add in a bit of flavour here and there. Might come back and add a few little bit different stuff here. We'll come down to about sort of keeping it. I want to keep that sort of dark there. Pull some of that down.